Everyone, my name is Vanessa. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great. VoiceOver Me is going to be here for a couple of minutes to introduce the video, and then we'll catch up with live unscripted Vanessa for the rest of the video. This save file I'm playing today is full of different households that I've been playing with for the duration of about 2 months. Right now we're hanging out with the Landgrab family. I actually haven't played with the Landgrabs much, but Malcolm is the BFF to one of my Sims, and I'm trying to get him into university with her. She aged up and enrolled in university with her twin sister, and I just thought it would be fun to include their high school BFFs, see where life takes them after high school. And just as a little side note, I hope my microphone sounds better, the quality is better or whatever. I got a little microphone poof for my headset. My mic didn't have a poof on it before, so hopefully this will help diminish all the extra noises like the squeaking of my chair and me breathing when I'm not talking. I realize that is kind of annoying and annoys me too, trust me. Okay, back to the script. I also like to check on the neighborhood stories once in a while. If you weren't aware, you can check up on how different households are doing and see their story progression by clicking on the mailbox and selecting the Check Recent Neighborhood Stories. And there we go. Malcolm has been accepted into university. He can actually get a distinguished degree from Foxbury in psychology, but I want him to go to Brightchester. And besides, I think the villainy degree better suits him. Okay, so if all worked well, then you should have just heard me finish doing the introduction. And now I'm coming at you live. Thank you, future Vanessa, for introducing us. Here we go. I don't like the sound my computer's making. It's like on overdrive. Can I not? No, I can't because she's in class. I would like to know what building she's in. And if she even finished did she finish her homework? She just started. Okay, I need to get them bikes. None of these Sims are gonna pass their classes, are they? Probably not. Did you do your homework? Did you finish your homework? Why are they not finishing their homework? They're being so annoying. I wish we could, like, get tutored. Can we? Can we get tutoring? I know that you can tutor. Tutor. No, we're not trying to do. Maybe sit-in on class would be considered getting tutored, but it doesn't really do anything except for up your skill. Okay, so the rest of these Sims don't have class until uh Wednesday. Oh, they're so loud. And Alondra has another class. So I probably explained this in the intro, but just a little recap on this household that we're playing. This whole save file, I'm playing as multiple different households, just jumping around from household to household. So those are Jenna and Alondra, and they are the daughters of Arun and Jasminder Vida. So they're twins. Their parents had two sets of twins. So that would be them. They're the oldest. And then their younger siblings are Dax and Tanya, and they're teenagers. And then this is Sophia Jurgens?
Oh. Bjergsen.
Bjergsen? Bjergsen? Is that how it goes? Okay, let's listen to it one more time.
Bjergsen. Bjergsen.
Bjergsen? Okay, Bjergsen. Bjergsen. Okay, cool. She completed her homework. Obviously, Sophia Bjergsen, she's a townie, and I just gave her a makeover, and this is Malcolm Landgrab, not a new face. Well, kind of a new face, because I gave him a makeover, too. Malcolm is best friends with Alondra, and Sophia and Jenna are best friends. That when they graduated, they were gonna all go to the same university, and that they were gonna live together. I need you to do more homework. Oh, she's at work. Okay, I'm just sipping on my coffee. I had a Bosa donut today. It was so good. I just finished eating it with my coffee. My coffee is the McCafe I don't know what it's called specifically. It's the one with like it's like a medium roast with a red um font. So yeah,
And it was good, good together. Yeah.
they're all doing homework. Let's see if any of them have papers to do. They do. So what I'm gonna need to make a run to this thing right over here. This is the room. So here are Sophia, Jenna, and Alondra. They're all sharing a room, and then Malcolm, I believe he's here. Yeah, he's got this room all to himself. Where's Malcolm? Oh, he's a loner. He doesn't like that there's a bunch of people around him. Let's get to know Sophia.
Bjergsen.
There you go. I'll just have that handy for the rest of this for the rest of this video. I hate to break it to you, Malcolm. The world is full of strangers. Okay, let's buy some items. Oh, Alondra, since you're here, one of you can have a fridge. What is this? ICYHS. When it comes to styling at an affordable price, ICYA reigns supreme. Is this supposed to be like IKEA? Oh, it is. I get it now. It's I see ya. Huh.
Get it, honey?
Sure, you may have to spend the better part of your evening trying to decipher the wordless instruction manual of pictographs as your thumbs scream for sweet relief while you try to jam a circle in a square peg, only to realize that you used the wrong piece about 10 steps back and now have to undo most of the progress you've made.
But at
I see ya.
they know that the journey you take towards assembling helps creates a last what?
They know that the journey you take towards assembling helps create a lasting bond between you and your creator. What's more, nothing beats the unmistakable feeling of accomplishment that comes once you fasten that final bolt. The ICEA just comes in a variety of trite colors.
And it's great for young and old alike. Interesting. No, we're not getting that. Good thing we're loaded. Practice juggling. No, you can go for a jog. Alondra, you can come here and put it into your inventory, please. And Malcolm, you can. Oh, you need to use the bathroom. No, go here. I need to fix this whole situation. It's making me very annoyed. Okay, I got it. I almost had it. Okay, testing. I don't think I need to write this again. Testing cheats on VB dot enable free build. That's it? No. Okay. Wait, where? Do I have to push enable free build? That's what I put. What did I type? Oh, I did a comma instead of a dot. I have long nails right now, and so it's hard to type. So that's what I blame it on. Great. Good job, Vanessa. We're gonna get rid of this, this. Oh, just kidding. Get rid of that. Those are ugly, so get rid of that. Delete. Cool. It's a little bit more spacious here. Yeah, I'll put some computers here, or should I put like a dining table? I want to put like a legit dining table. We'll make like a little kitchenette. Maybe we'll do some like Rochester colors. Should I put it right there in the middle or no? Okay, there should be a sink. Okay, I think I'm gonna move this all over just once. I don't know where I want that. Here? Yeah, might as well. Okay, let's try this. Are those the same color? No, but I'm sure we can find. That's okay. Cool. That'll work. And then we'll do a couple like individual just computer desks. go. I don't like how it doesn't touch the wall either. Does the chair match? No, of course it doesn't. Why would the chair match? There. Yay, look at that art. I guess we didn't really need to get laptops then, did we? Well, whatever. Stop that. Stop it. Stop that right now. Oh, I wanted them to join things. Okay. Let's see. What kind of organizations does the school offer? Hey, who is this? Oh, she's Callie Vator. This is one of my other Sims from my Vator household. She's Lilith's daughter, oldest daughter, eldest. I don't know what's more proper. This could be yours, and this can be Alondra's, and this one can be, not her name, Jenna's. Jenna. Okay. I don't know what that was. Computer security settings, lock for everyone but Sophia. So only Sophia can access that. But roommates? Lock for everyone but household members. I believe that's the Sims that I can play as. Cool. And he can have a bike, and she can have a bike. Okay, that can go there. I'm trying to delete all the stuff. Okay, that can get deleted. There. Alright, we'll speed this up. Oh, but Jenna starts work in an hour. Jenna, wake up. Jenna, wake up. Okay. Oh, you got that one complete. You need to use the toilet though. This is gonna be kind of hard, huh? Controlling 4 Sims that each have 4 classes to complete with presentations and term papers. Oh, great. I think what she can do is she can start her presentation. Capture information, please, ma'am. Oh, you're going to work already. Dang it. That's not what I wanted. Alondra, you can wake up. You can make some food, actually. You can, wait, what? So I can't, like, make a garden salad or whatever? Okay, that's weird. I thought, like, if I put a counter, then I could make not a quick meal. Can we go? Dude, just eat. Just eat, please. These Sims, they frustrate me sometimes. Cool. Can you do your homework now?
I can feel the pressure.
Okay, what is that for? Kitchen knowledge. Cool. I started out with 41 minutes of footage and ended just short of 16 minutes. I actually wanted this video to be around 20-ish minutes, but now I know that I need to record for longer than 40 minutes. Maybe film 5 minutes for the intro, 5 for the outro, and 45 of live footage in between. I'm just thinking out loud. Let me know if you like this format. I also wasn't planning on doing a voiceover for my outro, but I literally just finished editing and thought, hey, scrap the live outro. I'm feeling fancy. Yeah, I don't know. Somehow scripting is fancier than winging it. It sure feels like more work, so there's gotta be something about it. But yeah, if it wasn't obvious, this is the end of the video. I'm trying to work things out, but if you like this one, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye!